Hello boys, welcome back to your maths online class. Now we have done our revision of expanded and short form and you all have done very well. Good boys. This shows that you remember your previous topics also. Now today ma'am is going to teach you addition. Now this is also a revision of what we have done in our half yearly and our second unit test. So this is just a revision. So ma'am is going to once again refresh you with this topic of addition. So let's begin. Now first ma'am will teach you addition, okay? 2 digits. Now in the ones place you have 6 plus 1. So first we will count on our fingers how ma'am taught you before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus 1. Okay. So now we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now the numbers again under tens, that is 4 plus 3. So again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 4 plus 3 is also 7. So 46 plus 31 is 77. Okay. Now under the ones place it is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. So 1. First we will count on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus 2. 1 and 2. So let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now in the tens place we have 8 plus 0. Okay. So now as ma'am has already taught you that 0 has no value. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next number there is nothing. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay. All right. Now 4 plus 1. So let's count under ones it is 4 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and plus 1. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Now under the tens place it is 3 plus 1. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and plus 1. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now the next number. Now under the ones place we have 5 plus 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus 2. 1 and 2. So now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6 plus 0 is, as you know 0 has no value. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Like this. Alright. Now the next number. Now in the ones place we have 3 plus 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and plus 2. 1 and 2. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And the next number under tens is 2 plus 1. So let's count 1, 2 and 1. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3. So 23 plus 12 is 35. Okay. Now under the ones place we have 2 plus 2. So let's count 1, 2 and again 1, 2. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 plus 2 is 4. Now under the tens place we have 4 plus 4. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and again we have to count 4 more. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 here. So 42 plus 42 is 84. Now under ones we have 4 plus 5. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Now let's count 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus 2. 1, 2. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 54 plus 25 is 79. Now let's count again under ones, that is 5 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus 2, 1, 2. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 0 is 3. Boys, remember that first you have to count the ones place. Then you will count the tens place. Always remember that first you start counting from your right hand side. That is the ones place. Never start counting from the left hand side. Always from the right hand side. Now, this is 7 plus 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and plus 2. 1, 2. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Now next we have to count under tens, that is 6 plus 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2. 1, 2. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Understood, boys? Now this was your revision. You have already done these maths addition sums before also. Now ma'am will give you addition and this is your revision. Now you write exercise 1. Draw a line in the center of the page, then write, leave a line and write TO. So this exercise Alright, now you will do this exercise 1 area maths copies very neatly, okay. Do neat work and submit your work on time, okay. And stay safe boys, eat healthy food and study also because now your exams are going to come, no. So you start studying also. Every day learn your tables, alright. Learn your tables and every day do your work. Of all the teachers, whatever work you have given, complete it the same day. Don't let your mummies write the work for you. You should write it because when you write, you will get into the practice of writing. Otherwise, if you will not write, you will not be in practice of writing and the schools are going to reopen. So, you all must write your work. Do at least 1 page of writing every day so that speed comes and your writing is also neat and clean. Alright boys, I know you all are good boys and you will listen to what ma'am is telling you and all of you will start writing now. Do your work yourself. Don't tell your mummy or your brother or sister to do your work. Get into the habit of writing now and writing in speed. Okay? Alright, thank you boys and God bless you.